Hello and welcome to our first Dreamweaver website design project. In this series you'll learn how to build a complete website from start to finish using Dreamweaver CS6. You can use your own images and resources for this project, or if you prefer you can download all of the project files shown in these tutorials. You can also get the complete series manual in printed or ebook format along with the high definition video tutorials from wizibooks.com. In our last video, we created the other web pages for our website, and we can now use Dreamweaver to create the hyperlinks to these pages. We've also got some external links that we're going to insert as well. So let's open up the main.html document, and I'm going to switch to Design View. Inserting links is something that Dreamweaver does very well, and we can use Design View to do that. We've got our social media icons here. So I'm going to select the Facebook icon. Now we need to bring up our properties panel, so I'll click on that to bring it up, and because we've selected something we're now looking at the properties of that object. So we can see the icon down here, and just to the right we've got the link box, and if I click in there all I need to do is to type in the link to our Facebook page. Now you've probably got a Facebook page yourself and you'll want to link directly to that. So what I would suggest you do is to open that page up and copy the link from the address bar and then simply paste it into this box. I'm going to set our links to the main Facebook page, and to do that this is an external link, so I'll need to type in HTTP followed by a colon, 2 forward slashes, and then www.facebook.com. I'll just click away from that and let's just have a quick look at our code for that link. You'll now notice that Dreamweaver's put the anchor tag in with the href, and in there we have the link to the Facebook page. So we've still got our image in there, but it's now been encased in the A tag. So we have the opening A tag there and the closing A tag there, and the hypertext reference is what we typed in that box. So let's switch back to Design View and let's move on to the Twitter link, and exactly the same process. I'll click in the link box and I copied the Facebook link, so I'll just paste that one in and then change Facebook to Twitter. Oops, I'll just highlight that. So now we've got http://www.twitter.com. I'll select the YouTube one and do exactly the same. And now we've got all 3 links for our external web page links. And if I switch back to the code, now you'll see that we've got 3 anchor tags in there. Let's go back to Design View, and our next links are in our menu system, and we've got the Home, the Gallery, the About and the Contact Us. And we created the web pages in our last lesson and they're sitting over here in our root directory. So I'm going to highlight the word Home, and again in the Properties panel we're not working with an image this time, we're working with some text, but we still have the link box down here. Now in here I can simply type the name of the page that I want to link to, and Home is going to link to index.html, so I'll type that in, and now that link is set. Let's just check our code. We go back to the code window and we'll come down to our top nav section, and you can see now there's the anchor tag and the link that's just been inserted. So we still have to do Gallery, About and Contact Us. So again we'll switch back to Design View. Now this time I'm going to use a slightly different method. I'm going to highlight the word Gallery, and just to the right of the link box I've got this point to file icon, and all I need to do is to click here and drag the arrow across until I'm sitting on the right file. So we'll link that to Gallery, and Dreamweaver pops that link text in there for me. I'll do the same with the about. Select the word about, grab the point to file icon and come across and link to about. Exactly the same thing for contact us. Grab the point to file and come over to the contact file, and the contact link gets inserted, and up here now you'll see that our navigation contains the links. Now at the moment they've changed color, they're all blue, and this is the default setting for the browser, and we're going to fix that in our next lesson with CSS. So we've inserted some external links to our social media pages, and we've also inserted the internal links to pages within our website. If you found this series of videos helpful and you want to receive updates on video tutorials as they're released, why not subscribe to my channel? And don't forget to like and share it with your friends.